Actually, 4 allowings and 3 improper plates.
Is it? Okay, yeah, it is. I'm sorry, 4 allowings and I see 2 improper plates on the sheet here.
Oh, you're correct. You're correct. The other one was someone else's. It's 2 and 4.
Yeah. So what we'll do is we're just trying to get an updated offer. In this case, we can just set a trial date if you choose. I'm gonna let you speak to Mr. Roki and let us know what you want to do when you come out. Even though you can't get an offer right now, I'll still let you speak to Mr. Roki. The cases are pretty old.
Okay.
Hey, I'm sorry, Mr. Roki.
Hey, Judge.
Who's a judge? Who's that?
Miss Alicia. Alicia. You had me on hold. You had me on talking to somebody for the longest. I thought you was gonna get to me.
Yeah, well, you could. I'm gonna take you in the order that you came in, and you couldn't get zoomed in, so I can't see your documents.
Right. Yeah.
So I'm gonna get you to speak. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Sorry. Go ahead.
No, you go ahead. You're in charge.
I'm listening to you.
Go ahead.
I was just wondering if we can come down there tomorrow.
You want to come back tomorrow? You want to come down tomorrow? Whatever you say, Miss Lewis.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. I'll see you in the morning. All right.
Okay. Thanks. Bye.
Wait a minute. Wait. Don't go anywhere. Today is the date and time. Today is the date and time set for trial. So if the officer doesn't show, you don't have to come back. We'll see. Give me a few minutes.
Okay.
All right.
Mm-hmm.
Judge, who is the second person?
We call Odin instead of Odom.
Shatera.
All right, we're trying to get through this without any city attorney giving us any offers. Let me name these people. All right, Cabria T. I need you to turn your camera on and unmute yourself and state your full name, please.
It's Kybria Taylor.
Kyria Taylor?
Yes.
Spell it for me.
It's Kybria.
Kybria or Kyria?
Kybria would it be?
Bria, okay. And then Taylor?
Yep, Taylor.
Let me see if you're in the right spot.
Okay.
845, Your Honor.
Very well. All right. Did you call for an attorney?
Yes.
And they hadn't responded yet? Very well. All right, let's see what we can get through without an attorney.
Okay.
Glover's failure to stop at a school bus, missed no insurance and defective brakes. Glover, do you have valid insurance? You have to unmute yourself now.
Yes.
Name?
Yes, I do.
You have valid insurance, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Robinson, Officer Robinson, we got your defendant issue. Who has Officer Robinson? Who was that you, Mr. Zozel?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So that's Attorney Zozel up there. Can you zoom in? We don't have a city attorney. You can. It's a civil infraction if you want to deal with it yourself, or you want to go through the law department.
I got an in-person matter in Archer, so that's why I just came here this Sunday.
Well, you signed in, but he's here now, so can you work it out right quick with him? Zoom in right quick? And work it out with the attorney, or you wanna go to the city law department and just? Who's the city attorney? Now, Mr. Bowman's not here, he's sick, so yesterday, Ms. Walker was here, so you can go see if she's here right now.
I mean, I'm good with impeding if they want to pick up.
Oh, if you're gonna take impeding,
I'm coming in.
that's a bit, I guess so. All right. With impeding, he said he's good.
You want me to sign in?
No,
Okay.
unless you need some signature.
No, I'm good.
You good?
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right, be safe.
Have a good day. You too.
Thank you, Officer Robinson. Be safe.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Hey,
In person.
hey, it must be good to catch him on the, when he's bit, when he's bit. Impeding on 16
You
to
gotta
20.
take your luck where you find it.
You know, he knows he's been around a long time. You know when to hold him and know when to fold him, don't you, Mr. Zoll?
I know that one was a good one.
This is the city of Detroit versus Shannon Nicole Gibson. Case number SP 166-373. One accounts to SP 166-37531. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, my name is Paul Zosel, ZOSEL P22757 on behalf of Miss Gibson. I have full authority to be here. I plead responsible to the amended charge with the understanding that the failure to use the seatbelt system will be dismissed.
And Madam Mason, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Are you our city attorney today?
I'm gonna be the attorney.
Okay, well, Officer Robinson just offered an impeding on this. He said he had to go to an in-person in Archer.
Okay.
Zozel said he would take it all day long.
Okay.
And, okay, so very well, about your client's presence, Councilman.
Your Honor, I waive her presence with your permission.
You're retained and, you have authority to enter into the agreement on your client's behalf, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna waive the presence of, your client and, you accept the offer, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea.
I do.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
I do.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175 paid by February 26, 2025. If there's nothing further, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you.
Thank you, sir. Same to you.
Thank you.
Hey, Judge.
Hey, Ms. Lewis.
Yes, I'm here. I'm sorry. I apologize. I'm here. Sorry.
Just said, hey, Judge.
Yeah.
All right, so let's continue. Miss Mason, oh, she's gonna get down.
She said she gonna zoom in.
Very well, very. All right, so we have a city attorney now. We're gonna get going a little more efficiently. Let's go down to Mr. Massaroni. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. I have Besnick Gershai. It's a traffic matter.
Worship.
GRISHAJ.
This is the same case and defendant we see all the time. Is it?
Your Honor, I handle, I don't believe so, but I mean.
Oh, no, not that. No, not that.
Fuck, bitch!
Who is that?
Oh, I'm sorry.
What's your problem? Take your hat off and stop driving. I'm gonna put you out. Don't drive my car.
I'm so sorry. Oh my
Until you get pulled over. take your headgear off, Mr. Gaines, unless it's for religious purposes. Please, good morning to you.
Good morning. Goodness. Well, hey, Your Honor.
One of those days. Good morning to you.
How you doing, sir? It's Sergeant Richardson. I was just wondering I can help expedite your process. I have no recollection of my incident. I'm here for Mr. I believe it's Jalen Gray.
All right, I'm sure he'll take that. I'll mark you as a peer, and he's still got a whole lot more anyway. So
Okay.
you might be on the. Okay, I see you. 5711. No recollection. All right. Be safe out there, Sergeant Richardson.
Thank you, sir. You too.
Well. All right. We have a city attorney now. So who wants to, that first I'll get you, Mr. Barry with the city attorney.
Please.
And then Ms. Soroki, you need to see a city attorney as well, right? And then
Who's our city today?
Ms. Chiku Mason.
We'll just get the bench trial. It's all the allowing, Your Honor, so.
Okay.
And you can give me privileges, Judge. I appreciate it.
Where are you?
I'm right here.
Oh, I see. Or it's going to be Mr. Bowman. Mr. Barry needs to speak with you in 4, please.
Gotcha.
All right.
Can I also be placed in there?
Ogle Street. Okay. I'm going to give you privileges as well. I'm going to give you privileges as well if you need them. I don't know if your officer showed up yet, Mr. Messer.
I haven't seen the officer yet, but just in case.
Judge, where are we putting our officers? Where are we putting officers in?
One.
Gotcha.
Miss Mason, Attorney Mason, the one officer for Jalen Gray, Mr. Sergeant Richardson, said he had no recollection. All right. Now, let's go back on the record with Odin. I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Is my understanding you just want a bench trial, right?
Yes.
Do we have dates?
Yes.
The date be April the 8th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, Ms. Odin, have a very good rest of your day and best of luck to you, all right?
Okay, thank you so much. You too.
Thank you. This is going to be the city of Detroit versus Amber Lee Glove, case number SP 161-71781, SP 165-15931. Count, strike that. SP 165-1593, counts 1 and counts 2. The one case, that first one, SP 161-71781, that was in default. She started to make a payment, paid $100 for that. I don't know how long it's been in default. Let's see.
So what you say? What I told you?
I gotta write it down. I'll let them in. All right. So on the school bus, failure to stop at a school bus, that was 8/27/2025. It went into default 9/23. I guess I wouldn't have any objection if the city didn't have any objection set aside. I'm gonna state your name for the record, Ms. Glover, please.
Amber Glover.
All right, and appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Amber Glover.
All right, day is date and time set for a pretrial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Ms. Glover. Ms. Soroki's gonna get you an updated offer and she's gonna come speak to you. If you don't like that offer, keep in mind, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Your Honor, if there's been a partial payment on that civil infraction, doesn't that prohibit the ability to change the disposition?
I've never known that. I mean, I don't know. We can, I thought I can do anything.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't. Not anything that I wanted, but you know.
I know. I'm good. Thank you.
Very good. All right. Counselor, what about your case? You're just waiting on to see if the officer shows, right? Oh, you're just ready to go. The officer hasn't showed because it's a civil infraction right now. And we don't see. Wait,
Judge, you want me to put these officers? I'm sorry, Judge. You want me to put these officers in the breakout room?
Yeah, if you know who the police officers are. Wade is here, right? Officer Wade is here, right?
Yeah,
Wade. Yep, Wade's here, Judge. Wade is here. Wade's here.
Let's call it right now. This is the city of Detroit versus Bisnick Gorshai, case number SP 16629-161. Appearance for the record, please.
For the record, Roger Massaroni, P45744, on behalf of Besnick Gershai.
What about your client's presence, Counsel?
Your Honor, as my understanding, it's just a civil infraction that I could handle that. He's not present.
So you're motioning the court to waive the presence, correct? You're
Yes.
the term. You have the authority to enter into that agreement on the
Yes, I do, Your Honor. Yes.
Very well. I'll waive the presence. Mr. Officer Wade, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Morning, Honor. Police Officer Deontay Wade.
Okay, and then Ms. Mason, I'm just gonna put them in one. Have you talked to Ms. Massaroni yet about this?
No, I haven't. I haven't talked to him yet. I can just put them in there.
All right, go ahead. And you guys either go to 4 or 1 and speak about it.
Yeah, Massaroni, I'm going to put you in 4. Wade, I'm going to put you in 4 too. You guys work it out, okay?
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Very good. All right, let's pass the matter. Officer Shabazz is here. Good morning to you. I think we had a case we called earlier that was Odom, and we needed Officer Shabazz, who's here. Good morning to you. And
Good morning, sir.
Evasion is here, so we can go on with that. Who put their appearance on the record for Ms. Odom?
Your Honor, I did, and I also need privileges so I can speak with Ms. Mason in a breakout room.
Very good. So here's what we'll do. You work out Odin. I'm gonna give you privileges. Work out Odin and the one you're on, and then both of the officers are here.
I see. Okay, thank you.
All right.
Ms. Mason, can you meet me?
Ms. Mason, can you go to 4, please? All right, let's go. Are you ready on Guzman?
Ready, Your Honor.
What's gonna happen with that case while I
She'll enter a plea to limited access 1 to 5 for the failure to stop, and the remaining matters to be dismissed.
All right, Madam Interpreter, good morning to you. Can you state your name for the record and your qualifications, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Gloria Guerra Bigen. Guerrabien. I am not qualified, Your Honor. I'm working towards it, and I'm presenting the written proficiency test this March.
Very well, I'm sure you're gonna be successful. Can you raise your right hand, please? I don't see you. Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court, not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
And do you swear or affirm that to the best of your ability, you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do.
You can put your hand down.
Thank you.
One. Coach don't want to be here. You don't want to mess with me on coach. All right.
Okay.
Let's call the City of Detroit versus Angela Guzman Mendez, case number SP 1654907, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1654911. Appearance for the record, please.
No.
Señorita Guzmán, ¿se encuentra en la línea? Están llamando a su caso Ángela Guzmán Méndez. Caso número es P165499211.
Sí.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
El abogado se presenta en nombre del acusado Ángela Guzmán Méndez.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. My understanding is that you have an offer of a limited access 1 to 5. Is that correct?
Señora Ángela Guzmán Méndez, entiendo que usted tiene un acuerdo de negociación con su abogado, ¿es correcto?
Sí.
Yes, it is.
And you want to accept that offer, ma'am?
¿Usted quiere aceptar esa oferta, señora?
Sí.
Yes.
All right. Do you stipulate to the face of the ticket on behalf of your client, Mr. Berry, as a accurate factual basis for that responsible plea?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
And do you stipulate?
Se estipuló que han visto la multa y el abogado dice que sí, que se ha estipulado que se ha visto la multa.
And do you stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
Yes,
Se
Your Honor.
estipula la causa probable de motivo de fondo, sí, su señoría, se estipula.
With that stipulation, I'm going to find your client responsible for the admitted count of limited access 1 to 5. Fine is going to be $125. When can you pay it, ma'am?
Señora, el costo de su multa van a ser $125. ¿Cuándo la puede pagar?
Ahora mismo.
Right now, today, Your Honor.
All right. Make sure it's in here by tomorrow. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit.
Señora, usted se tiene que asegurar de que está pagado esto el día de hoy. A más tardar mañana puede pagar en cualquier kiosco de la ciudad de Detroit o puede venir en persona aquí.
I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone.
Si usted decide pagar en el kiosco, tiene que bajar la aplicación en su teléfono.
Or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it.
O puede venir en persona aquí directamente al tribunal y pagar aquí directamente. Esos son los dos mejores lugares en donde le puedo decir que usted puede pagar.
Está bien, yo voy en persona.
It's very good. I will be there in person.
All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, be safe out there and best of luck to you, okay?
Si no hay nada más, entonces le deseo suerte, que tenga un buen día y mucha suerte para usted.
Gracias.
Thank you very much.
All right, thank you. Madam Interpreter, thank you very much and best of luck to you on the test coming up, all right?
I appreciate that very much, Your Honor. Thank you and have a great day.
All right, you as well.
Thank you.
Oh, the city of Detroit, Mr. Lane, I ask you to remove that scarf off your head. Just sit up, sir. And if it's not for religious purposes, remove that scarf off your head, please. Unmute yourself, please.
Say it was, but I'll take it off.
It is for religious purposes?
Yes.
Well, if it's for religious purposes, I don't know what religion that is, to have a do-rag, but that's not my to question it, but you know. City of Detroit versus Deontay William Lane, case number SP 165-29061, SP 165-29901. Appearance for the record, please.
Deontay
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant.
All right, state your name for the record.
Deontay Lane.
All right, today is the date and time set for a
Pretrial.
It's pretrial?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, let me put you in the breakout room. Mr. Berry's gonna get you an updated offer. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. I'll put you in the breakout room, Mr. Lane.
Okay, thank you.
Pass the matter, Mr. Massaroni, did you take care of that?
Yes, we did, Your Honor. Officer Wade and I agreed to a blockading traffic charge with the original charge to be dismissed.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Goysha. Again, off the record, you just indicated to the court that you had a resolution of blocking traffic. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor. Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
The probable cause well, that's good. With that stipulation, we'll find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic paid by 2/27/2025, $175. All right.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. That will be done.
Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
Mr. Patel, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Mr. Boffman, good morning to you. Mr. Boffman, your client is here. One of the officers has mentioned that they do not have any recollection. That would be Sergeant Richardson, I think. I'm going to put your client in 5. Good morning, Mr. Gray. I'm going to put you in 5. And I'll give you privileges, Mr. Boffman, to work out what you need to do. And then your client will be in 5. Mr. Patel, who is your client?
It is Sean Ozier.
All right, I have not seen that individual yet.
Okay, I was just talking to him on the phone before I hopped in.
Maybe he's one in the on the iPhone. I just let in the room. Well, they can't hear me yet.
Right.
Kyle's iPhone, good morning to you. Kyle's iPhone, good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right, what is your full name, sir?
Kyle Antoine Logan.
Logan, all right, good morning to you. All right, on the telephone at 810-830-9991. Good morning to you. What is your name?
Marcino Latin, MARCINOLATTNER. I'm calling about a reckless driving ticket.
Hold on a second. You're not on the docket?
For February 13th. Today's February 13th, right?
You're calling about who?
A reckless driving ticket.
Okay, and give me the last name again, please.
LATTNER. No.
L.A.
Marcino,
Yes, I think it's
1:30.
1:30. That's this afternoon. All right, we'll get them out of here with a, do you have this file? 1:30 or? All right, give me a minute on that, all right? You're here early. On the iPhone, good morning to you. You unmuted yourself, you got your camera going. What is your name, please, and the individual behind the wheel of a car?
Her last name is Ozier.
Ozier. I see. Good morning to you,
Good morning.
Mr. Sean. Is that your client, Mr.
Yes, Your Honor, it is.
What are we gonna do with that case? Good morning, Mr. Ozier.
Your Honor, we're just wanted to provide the court a little update. We just need an adjournment till the end of May. He has made some progress. I'm not sure if we spoke at the last appearance, but he did.
Give me one second.
Oh, sure.
All right, let's call it City of Detroit versus Sean Raphael Ozier, case number SP 1553728, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1553729, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Jayesh Patel, P number 65385, for Mr. Ozier. Mr. Ozier, would you please state your name for the record?
Yes, name is Sean Raphael Ozier.
Ozier.
Yes.
That's French.
Yes, correct.
All right. Good morning to you. So I hope there's some good positive news of all the negative that we've heard this week.
Yes, Your Honor. There is he is working for the DDOT as a bus driver, and has provided his schedule and his ID for verification. He is off of probation in that job at the middle or end of March. So he's very excited about that progress. And as well, he's got some other legal matters that are pending, which is still going forward. And he's making good progress, but he does need a little more time to work on stabilization of his housing.
Very good. I'm very happy to hear that. What bus line? I guess in this period of you get any line that they give you, huh?
I didn't understand that.
I say, I guess in this probationary period, you drive any line that you have to go. So when I catch the bus, I may or may not see you, huh?
Yes, that's correct.
All right.
So far I've been Gratiot pretty much. Gratiot, 8 Mile, and Conant. Those are my 3 routes so far.
I remember one time I rode the Gratiot bus. It was kind of weather like it is right now. It was late, right? And me and my wife were coming from, that's when I used to stay on the east side. We were coming from Eastland. And I had never been on a bus where that driver drove so fast. He was going like 60 up Gratiot. He was like, listen, I'm the only one out here tonight. And I got to make sure. I was like, hey, I don't know. I wouldn't recommend you doing that, Mr. Ozier, but I'm going to tell you what, he was moving that bus. Listen, I'm glad to hear that. I'm looking forward to the housing stabilization, but it sounds like everything is moving in the right direction. I know that we talked last time about that light not shining so bright, but it seems like it's getting brighter right now. And with all that we've heard this week, it just, I'll just say it right out loud on Zoom. With all these big time billionaires and all these smart individuals, I just don't see how we have to be dealing with these problems. I can name a few people with one hand that could probably take care of all over the country with all the money that they have. But I guess, it's just the way it is. So how much time do you need, Mr. Patel?
I would like, hopefully to the end of May. I think would give us plenty of time to get.
What about May 13th? That's just the date I have in front of me.
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, May 13th, Mr. Ozier. I'm gonna make sure I kind of remember that French name too. And best of luck to you. And thank you, Mr. Patel. If you don't have any more, you're free to leave as well.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
And continue, good luck, please. All right, who are you ready on, Ms. Soroki?
I'm ready on both Miss Odom and also Miss Glover.
All right, Glover, let's go back on the record with Ms. Glover. Ms. Glover, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what your client want to do?
Your Honor, people did make a recommendation. They would set aside the default on the civil infraction. That would be amended to 1 to 5 over. The other counts would be dismissed. I would stipulate to the dismissals and stipulate to the face of the complaint for probable cause.
All right, with those stipulations, that's what you want to do, Ms. Glover?
Yes.
With those stipulations, I'm going to find you responsible for the amended count of enter that in as a correction, Ms. Mathis. For the amended count of limited access 1 to 5, I'm only going to fine you $25 on that because you've already paid $100. I'm going to give you credit, and we'll dismiss the other matters. You know how to pay, but I'm going to let you know anyway. Any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, I'm told you can upload to DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. When can you get this $25 here, ma'am?
I could pay it today.
Very well. Make sure it gets in here by tomorrow, okay? Best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you. You too.
All right, let's call the city of Detroit. Let's recall the city of Detroit versus Tajia Odom. Ms. Odom, I'm giving you an opportunity. Appearance for the record, please, Ms. Soroki again.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, behalf of Miss Odom.
All right, Ms. Odom, have you had a chance to speak to Ms. Soroki?
Yes.
All right, what's the deal here?
Your Honor, she has a valid license and insurance, and she completed the driving course. So the offer is a 2 to 10 on the formal hearing, and all their counts being dismissed.
6 to 10 or 1 or 6 to 10? Is that what you mean, man?
Yeah, that's what the people offered.
Oh, I thought you said 2 to 10. I was like, I've never heard of that one.
No, 6.
6 to 10 I've heard of. So you want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes.
6 to 10 is 2 points on your driver's license and $135. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea on your client's behalf, Counselor.
So stipulated.
Stipulate the cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated.
For that stipulation, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of 6 to 10, $135. When can you pay it, Ms. Odom?
The end of this month.
February 27th, 2025. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it, ma'am. If you don't have anything further, I wish you the best of luck. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
Thank you.
All right. Let's call the city of Detroit versus Althea Jean Lewis. Case number SQ1633381. Counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Miss Lewis.
Ms. Lewis, good morning. Now you can talk, Ms. Lewis. State your name for the record, please.
What's up? My name is Alicia G.
I thought she was on the truck. She is not. It was supposed to be trial. All right, Miss Soroki, Miss Lewis indicates that she has valid documentation and she wants to bring it down tomorrow. I thought this was set for trial. I have a note in here, trial/formal hearing today. Her name is Althea Jean Lewis.
Judge, we have it for the record. Dear Chiku Mason, City of Detroit, we've got it on for arraignment on the bench warrant and proper place. We'd just be asking for a quick adjournment.
So purposes of arraignment, Miss Soroki?
I'll waive the formal reading of the information, stand mute to the charges, Your Honor.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Lewis, you want to come down tomorrow with that insurance, with that registration for the plate? Ms. Mason, Ms. Lewis indicates that she has proper registration for this plate. Will you accept that as a?
I accept your word, Your Honor, and I would dismiss it this time. I accept your word.
No, I haven't seen it. She says she has it, but she has not been able to have ability to dial in, to zoom in. So she said she wanted to come out tomorrow.
So we can adjourn it till tomorrow, Judge.
Maybe, does she have a camera phone? Because perhaps she could take a picture and text it to me.
All right, go in the breakout room and speak with her, and maybe you can help her work this out.
Okay, thank you.
All right. And then she's got a blocking traffic that was it was set aside. I don't know how this went into default when it was supposed to be trial/formal hearing. Oh, I see, said the blind man. That's my fault. I see. That she was supposed to be here January 14th. I'm thinking, so she missed the date. So she has a blocking traffic as well, all right?
Blocking traffic and unregistered?
And an improper plate.
Okay, I already know what the offer is going to be. Thank you.
All right, join the room, please. All right, let me let this iPhone in and find out who this is, and Corporal Croxton is here as well. Mr. Barry, do you have someone?
Yes, Your Honor. Ready to answer Mr. Lane.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Deontay Lane. Mr. Lane, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client seeks a trial date and the appointment of counsel. I provided his number in the chat.
Got me for the gun.
Hold on, Mr. Logan. Is that what you want to do, Mr. Lane?
Your Honor, I told him I had assurance, and I've been here with you before, and I saw you ran somebody assurance through your court.
That's not true. That's not true. You didn't see me run anybody's insurance. No, you didn't.
He's telling me I have an assurance card, but it's only the card to show my assurance. I got the assurance paper in my glove box, but I'm currently at the hospital for shortness of breath.
Okay, but you did first. Let's get it. All right, Mr. Gorman, I'm putting you out. You got to come in person because first of all, you're up here with the foul language on Zoom. You're up here. You're smoking in the courtroom, and I'm just about had it up with you already.
I'm sorry, Ron. I'm sorry. I don't know what to do. I'm sitting here waiting. I'm sorry.
I don't
mean no disrespect. No
One
disrespect.
second, here I come in. I want 1 second.
All right, so let's go. So what do you want to do? Do you want the lawyer or you don't? I don't know if this is a false proof of insurance that the allegation is, Mr. Lane.
Yes, I have that.
Stop. I'm talking to Mr. Mason right now. If Mr. Lane he's indicated that he's got insurance, but even if you do have insurance, you're in the hospital right now and you can't provide that, right?
Yes, sir.
So So,
I can come tomorrow and show it if I'm able to come tomorrow. I can
and that's
definitely show
gonna be up to Ms. Mason on whether she wants to accept that.
Okay.
Judge, for the record, Dear Chiku Mesa, City of Detroit, 43471. I don't have an objection to adjourning this over one day for Mr. Lane to present.
Your Honor, there's a second charge.
There's a second charge of unsafe manner as well.
I understand I mean, we can take care of all that tomorrow.
Very well. Come back tomorrow. Best of luck to you, sir. I still don't know. I will say this out loud. I still don't know of a religion that the headgear is a do-rag. I don't know.
Yes. It's not a do-rag.
But, oh, it's not? Okay. So come back tomorrow on the 14th. Best of luck to you in your hospital needs. All right.
Yes, Your Honor. You know what time?
It's 8:30. First thing in the morning.
8:30. Okay. Thank you.
All right. Very well. All right. Let's go with Greer. Teron DeMarco Greer. Are you there? Where's Teron DeMarco Greer? Unmute yourself.
I'm here,
please.
Your Honor. I'm here.
This is the City of Detroit versus Teron DeMarco Greer, case number SP 1652949, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Melvin S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Greer.
Tom DeMarco Greer.
All right. Good morning to you. Today is date and time set for a pretrial. Do you have valid plates and insurance?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Miss Mason, are you there? Typically does accept that as let's see what you have, please.
Registration.
All right. Now give me a second. I'll let you know when. Back it up a little bit. Well, you got 2 power back. All right. Bring it forward now. All right. Well, that says 2004, so already we're in 2000.
No. Oh, wait. I grabbed the wrong registration. I'm sorry.
Let me see the insurance.
We'll go to insurance right here from Pure.
That's not showing. Okay. Everybody's got cured everybody's problem. But when I called them, they couldn't cure my problem.
Wow. They gave me a good deal, man. They
didn't give me a good deal. They gave me, but it was more expensive. I tell you, they couldn't cure my problem. Push it closer. Yeah. He's got that bold camera phone. It's not coming in clear enough.
Hold on, let me wipe off my lens. See if that is. Thank my lens.
Go get the registration. Go get the registration. We'll see it all at one time. I'll pass the matter, right?
Okay, I'm about to grab it. Give me 1 minute.
Just raise your hand in the chat when you come back.
Okay, no problem.
All right, let's pass the matter. Miss Soroki, are you ready on anybody?
I am, Your Honor. I'm ready on Miss Lewis.
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Lewis. Miss Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. What's going to happen? What's going to happen?
Your Honor, at this time, we're going to admit the impeding traffic, the blockading, and the count for improper plates is being dismissed with the stipulation of probable cause.
All right, so we don't have to do anything except dismiss that. That's what you want to do, Miss Lewis?
Yes, sir.
All right, and that's already in. So when can you pay?
When can I pay? Tomorrow.
Yes. All right, tomorrow, 2/14/2025. Everybody's sacrificing their Valentine's money for the court. I like that. All right. Paying at any that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it now. Best of luck to you. I got you in there for tomorrow. All right.
Yes.
All right. I see you. Attorney Kent. I'll get with you in just 1 second. Let me get Ms. Soroki started. On Vincent Gray, this is the city of Detroit. Hold on, Mr. Greer. This is the city of Detroit. This is Vincent Dion Gray, case number SP 118668111, SP 1652473, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 165-25021. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Gray.
Mr. Gray, are you there?
Yes.
Good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Vincent Dion Gray.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Soroki. She's gonna get you an updated offer. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial. All right, Mr. Gray?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Join the room, please. Let's pass that matter. Mr. Berry, do you need somebody?
So I'm waiting on Mr. Greer to produce his documents and then I'll be available.
Oh, yeah, let's go. Mr. Greer, let's go back on the record with Mr. Greer.
All right, I got everything right here, Your Honor.
Okay, let's see. I got the insurance. I saw that already. Let me see the
This is my new registration.
Provide valid documentation. Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you. You too, sir.
Say that? Yeah, we called it. I marked it off. This city of Detroit versus Tyrone Marco, Greer, case number SP 165-2949, counts 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. All right. Best of luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Well, all right, Mr. Berry, let me get Mr. Gortman out of here before he offends everybody again. This is the city of Detroit versus Luan Gortman, case number SP 163-16251, SP 163-16261. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gortman.
Mr. Gortman, name for the record, please. Now he's not saying anything. Mr. Gortman. Mr. Gortman.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, turn your camera on, please.
Your Honor, I was on my way down there. You told me to come in.
No, you can pull over now.
Oh, I'm on the freeway. Can I pull over to the side, Your Honor?
No, come up and I'm gonna put you in the waiting room and or come up and then pull over and I'll recall your case in a second.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Your Honor, if we may, Mr. Kent is ready. Attorney Kent is ready on here. That'll be a dismissal.
Let's see. City of Detroit versus A.Q. case number SP 1633487, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1633521. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning. For the record, Your Honor.
Attorney Richard L. Kent, ENT.
I don't think they got that. I don't think they got that. Your device. I'm gonna turn your camera off. Your device is coming through a little bit distorted. Again, Attorney Kent, good morning to you, and put your P number on the record as well, too.
Richard L. Kent, ENT 6494.
Not working.
For Mr. Gates.
It's not working. Say it again. I
Richard L. Kent, K-E-N-T. Okay. Richard L. Kent, K-E-N-T, E65494. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, turn your camera off, please. Maybe that may help the
It is off,
transmission.
Your Honor. It is off, Your Honor.
Client is Bay Guy, G-U-E-Y-E on the trial. Did you get that on the record? What?
I got his name, but I didn't. It's fine.
Yeah, Bay Guy. All right, today is the date and time set for a trial on this matter. This is a dismissal. We'll dismiss the case. Best of luck to you. Is that no officer?
No, Your Honor, the officer indicated that in the interest of justice, it's a dismissal.
All right. If there's nothing further, Mr. Kent, best of luck to you. And where's your client?
My client is snowed in, Your Honor, since he is not driving now. Yes, he was having trouble getting to my office. But if we're doing a dismissal, I'm happy to go ahead with that. I'm authorized to accept that.
I'll waive the client's presence. Best of luck to you. Case dismissed.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
Oh, Rock is here. Okay. I didn't let the officer put their appearance on the record. Who's on this iPhone here? I asked to start your video and unmute yourself.
Hello.
Yeah. Good morning,
Brown.
Chief.
Good morning.
Mr.
Brown.
Mr. Brown. What's the Mr. Brown? What's the first name, Mr. Brown?
Trayvon. Trayvon Brown.
Trayvon Brown.
Yes, sir. I have a hyphenated last name. It's Giles Tyson Brown.
That's better. Giles Brown. Okay, I see. All right, good morning to you.
Morning, doing okay?
Yeah. Mr. Berry, do you have anybody?
I do not, Your Honor.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Christian Marie Littlejohn, case number SP 1646151. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Brown.
Miss Littlejohn.
Christian Littlejohn.
This is Christian Littlejohn, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Littlejohn, Your Honor.
All right, what is today is the date and time set for a pretrial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room, Ms. Littlejohn. Mr. Berry's going to get you an offer. If you don't like the offer, then you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
All right, join the room, please. All right, let's Mr. Soroki, are you ready on Mr. Vincent Gray?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Vincent Gray. I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're requesting a bench trial date.
You want to do that, Mr. Gray?
Yes, sir.
All right. That'll be April the 8th, 2025 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you very much, sir.
Well, Mr. Boardman, are you ready now?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, sir.
All kind of problems. Take the hat off, sir, please.
Okay, I'm sorry, man. I had a bad morning.
I'm not your man either, all right? All right, let's go call it. Look, this is the city of Detroit versus Juan Gortman. He's messing up my morning. I was having a good morning. Case number SP 163-16251, SP 163-16261. Appearance for the record, please, Ms. Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Gortman.
All right, Mr. Gortman, state your name for the record, please.
LaJuan Gortman.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Ms. Soroki, speak to him in a breakout room. See if you can get some resolution to this. Mr. Gray, if you don't like the resolution, I mean, Mr. Workman, if you don't like the resolution that Ms. Soroki comes up with, you have an absolute right to a trial. We'll put you in a breakout room, please. Join the room. Mr. Hoffman, let's pass the matter. Mr. Hoffman, are you ready?
Good morning, Your Honor. I am ready on Jalen Gray.
Good morning, Mr. Gray. Are you there?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
This is the City of Detroit versus Jalen Terrell Gray, case number SB 1312875, counts 1 and counts 2. SB 1365387. SB 157157111. SP 7570061. SP 6, strike that, SP 9681721. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman, P55052. For the defendant, Mr. Gray, state your full name, please.
Jalen Terrell Gray.
Matters are set for a trial, and the defendant is going to waive his right to that hearing this morning. He's going to plead guilty to a couple of counts, Your Honor, and the balance of the matters set for trial today will be dismissed. Specifically, he will plead to the open alcohol, the matter ending in
3871, Counselor. 3871.
That's it, 3871. There's a 12-month delayed sentence for that plea, Your Honor. And he will also plead improper plate to the matter ending in 1721, where he's accused here of driving on a suspended license. He's ready to give you a factual basis to accept his pleas and has been advised of his rights.
Well, why can't we do it with like the 8751? That's a more recent case. Thank you.
Understood, Your Honor. If it pleases the court, we would be pleased to plead to the.
Is that because termage did not show? Is that why that is?
No, that's not. We will plead to that.
Let's get the officers. I know Officer Willie Robinson, he didn't have to be here. That's for review. Let me call you 40295217 into the record. Let's get the officers to check in. Officer Richardson indicated to the court that his case, he was here. I'll put that on the record, and he indicated to the court that he didn't have any recollection. That's SP 157157111.
That's being dismissed according to the plea agreement, Your Honor.
All right. Then we have what about SP1? Any officers here on Gray?
The officers here, Your Honor, for the record, Diachiku Mason, City of Detroit 43471. The officers here on Gray are water law. That's the only officer that I've had checking in so far on the Gray case. Seamus Waterlaw.
Can you put your appearance on the record, or Officer Waterlaw? Is he in the breakout room?
Yes, Your Honor, he's in the breakout room.
Yes. Sorry, I meant to tell you that.
Okay, they just called, let you know they got things ready.
Officer Waterlaw. Good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Police Officer Seamus Waterlow.
Okay, good morning to you. What department and what's your badge number?
Detroit Police Department, badge number 4845.
So that's on one of the open alcohols. 12 delay. And Mr. Bach.
I'm moving to dismiss the balance for lack of a complaining witness, Your Honor. The defendant is ready to enter into an agreement to a 12-month delayed sentence on the open alcohol if the people are prepared for trial.
right, on SP 1312875, counts 1 and counts 2, that's Officer Turnage. That officer did not appear. We'll dismiss that case.
Thank you, Your Honor.
SP 1365371. That's as charged, correct? And that's under delayed sentence, right?
That's correct.
And, on SP 7570061, that would be Sergeant Edward Jackson. Grant that motion on SP 19681721. That would be Abu Baker, and I have not seen if you will grant that motion. You want to take this deal, Mr. Gray?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Do you swear, raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty of this offense? 90 days in jail and or $500 in fines.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Bachman went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you have any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
You know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, Your Honor.
Let me draw your attention back to July the 5th, 2022 at around 11:46 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Schaefer Highway and the Jeffries Service Drive. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, Your Honor.
Were you in a motor vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you have some alcohol in that vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor, I did.
What kind of alcohol did you have?
It was some tequila, I think.
What's so funny?
It was cause I'm trying to remember. I can't remember.
You got
It was a bottle of tequila, I believe. I want to believe.
But it was alcohol. You know it was alcohol in the vehicle.
Yeah. Yes.
And
yes,
the alcohol
Your Honor.
was open.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Find your client guilty of the amended. as charged to the open alcohol vehicle passenger. $240 is going to be the fine, and there'll be a 12-month delayed sentence. However, I'm gonna give you 30 days to pay this.
Judge, would you please give this individual more time? He is not doing so well physically. He's currently not working. He indicates to me that he's having some difficulty with even standing. I asked him if he would possibly consider a community service sentence, and if he's willing to do that, I think that would be entirely appropriate here.
Are you dealing with any? Let me stop right now. Anybody in here that's dealing with housing insecurity, please let either myself know or the attorney know, so that we can try to get you some help. All right. Anybody that's dealing with any housing insecurity, please let myself or the attorneys know so we can try to get you some. All right. So let's go back on the record, Mr. Gray. So what do you need? Go ahead.
I got injured by a car. I got hit by a car in a hit and run, and I had lost my foot. So it's like just got attached on. So I'm just not getting out of physical therapy with all of that. So I'm trying to like fight through this arthritis. This has been the roughest wintertime I ever had. So right now I'm just fighting through that. That's all. So
All right,
you know,
let's do it like this. you want community service, and then I'm sure they can get you something that does not require any kind of physical labor. If they can't, then we'll come back and do something else. You want community service? Try that first.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to give you the number to community service. You shouldn't have to call them. They should call you, but this is just a number just in case. Refer to community service.
All right.
I need a good phone number from you, please.
Judge, I have that. May I give you that?
Please.
313-589-0078.
All right, let's give you 30 days to come back, and I need a 12-month date as well. So 313, the community service number is 313-965-8130. Again, Shelton. All right, Ms. Shelton is the lady that oversees that. Let her know about your injury, sir. We're going to be praying that you have. I mean, it's going to be a long road for recovery for that, I'm sure, and I'm sorry to hear that you lost your foot, but we'll get you over there to her. Come back February 13th. So what I'm going to do is I got 12 hours of community service for one ticket. I can allow you to do community service to clear this all up if you want to.
Yes, Your Honor.
That would be appropriate, please.
12. I'm going to waive the warrant fee, pay reinstatement fee. 12, then you owe 1, 2. Let's say 40 hours of community service will clear everything.
Agreed, Your Honor.
Come back on March 13th, 2025 at 8:25. Do you have that 12-month day?
It would be February 13, 2026.
February 13, 2026 for the 12-month delay. Come back March the 13th, 2025. If you haven't heard from that community service coordinator, you know how to get in touch with us. If you you can call them. You have the number. Again, I wish you the best of luck. Come back on March 13th. We'll see what kind of progress you've made. All right.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good rest of your day.
Thank you.
Anything further with you, Mr. Boffman?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you. Please call DeAndre Gaines. We're ready.
That's the one I was going to call next. Officer Waiterlow, you still there?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you be safe out there. Have a very good rest of your day, all right?
Thank you. You too, sir.
What about DeAndre Gaines, Deshaun Gaines?
Yes.
What's his date of birth?
It's 2001 is his year of birth, Your Honor. I had the same inquiry because there's some confusion about some other outstanding cases.
I guess he doesn't have an E in his Gaines name, right?
He does not, but he does have something that's misspelled under Gaines. That is.
It's supposed to be a E, but they ain't put the E on my socials and birth certificate.
All right, we have Officer Wood, Miss Mason, that's here. Officer Wood is late. Way past 9:30.
Your Honor.
I just want you know that.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's call the City of Detroit versus DeAndre Deshaun Gaines, case number U69643-824. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Harry Boffman, P55052 for the defendant. Would you, sir, state your name, please?
DeAndre Gaines.
All right, good morning to you. Officer, who wrote the ticket? Officer Smith?
Yeah, Justin Smith, Your Honor.
And I don't see a Justin Smith, correct?
That is correct according to my information, and I move to dismiss without prejudice, please.
I don't know if Ms. Mason has any other information.
We spoke.
Very well. Case dismissed. I grant the motion. Best of luck to you, Mr. Gaines, and have a very good rest of your day.
Judge, I have identified a matter for which there is a warrant for the defendant. Is it possible that we could arraign him either this morning or come back
I
at
don't think
1:30?
that's him. I don't think that's him, because that's under the GE, right?
Yeah, right.
And that's the date of birth is totally different. That's why I asked him what year of birth he is. That's under a date of birth.
There's one on the DeAndre Gaines with an E.
Yeah, it
is. That is the defendant.
This is the city of Detroit versus U687034424.
Right.
Would they say stays up in those after hours, huh?
Yes, Your Honor. We will waive any more formal reading of the information, complaint, or warrant. Stand mute for the purpose of arraignment. Would you please set this matter for trial?
U687034424. Wait a minute. Wait. Moving a little too fast. No, I got that correct. You want a trial date, right?
Please and thank you. Yes.
State your name for the record.
DeAndre Gaines.
All right, enter not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. Set a trial date for April the 8th. I guess why not? You got that one already won, huh? April the 8th at 9 a.m. Best of luck to you, Mr. Gaines.
Thank you, Your Honor.
One is under June. All right.
Hey, you okay?
I see you, Mr. Overstreet. All right, Mr. Gaines, be safe out there. Best of luck to you. All right, Mr. Buff.
All right. Thank you. Have a great day, everybody.
You as well. I see you, Mr. Overstreet. Give me 1 second. Let me get the House counsels going. Who doesn't have any?
I have the gentleman, Mr. Gortman.
All right.
And I have Little John.
All right, let's go back on the record with Little John. Miss Little John, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's current offer, which is to enter a plea to open alcohol in a vehicle as a passenger on the basis of a 12-month delayed sentence.
You want to take the deal, ma'am?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand? Right hand, the
No.
other right.
Sorry, my phone's
You
in
swear
right here.
to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Okay.
You understand that?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Baldwin went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
No, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
We draw your attention back to December 11th, 2024, around 10:59 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Park Avenue and Columbia. Did you have an occasion on that day to be in that area around that date and time and be contacted with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you in a motor vehicle?
Yes.
You have alcohol in that motor vehicle?
Yes.
What kind of alcohol did you have?
Hennessy.
And was it open?
Yes.
All right, find your client guilty as charged. So $240 is going to be the fine. It'll be 12-month delayed sentence. When can you pay?
Can I get 30 days?
You can pay it by March the 13th, 2025. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If it's nothing further, ma'am, be safe out there. Have a very good rest of your day, okay?
You too. Thank you.
This is the city of Detroit versus, this is for you, Mr. Berry, Cabria Taylor, case number 237-602111. SP 124-80951. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Taylor.
Is Ms. Taylor
It's
there?
Kybria Taylor.
Hi, Bria Taylor. Good morning to you, ma'am. That's for
morning.
purposes of arraignment. Mr. Berry,
Yes, Your Honor. My client will stand mute.
enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Get Ms. Taylor an updated offer, Mr. Berry. And if you don't like the offer, Ms. Taylor, you have an absolute right to a trial, okay?
Okay.
Judge, where's she on the docket sheet? I don't see her.
Last name on 8/20/845.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Join the room, please. Let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Boardman. Mr. Boardman, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to admit 1 to 5 over and the other counts being dismissed. Limited access at 1 to 5 would be, I'm sorry.
Limited access, 1 to 5. You want to take the deal, Mr. Boardman?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea on the client's behalf, counsel.
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated.
All right, with that stipulation, I'm gonna find your client responsible for the amended count of 1 to 5 over $125. When can you pay it, Mr. Gordon?
Can I have 30 days, Your Honor?
Why do you need 30 days?
I heard, I just heard you speak about the housing thing. I'm on the verge of getting evicted Saturday. I haven't paid my rent. I just went back to work on January the 19th. I only had a couple of weeks in there, and they trying to evict me out of my apartment. And I lost my mom.
Enough said, Mr. Gorman. I'm gonna be praying for you to get that together. Hopefully that you can work something out with that. I'm glad you got back to work. Pay it by March the 13th, 2025. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse in person and pay it. If there's nothing further, again, I'm really truly praying for you, and I hope you get that together. Hopefully they'll be able to work something out with you now that you're back to work. All right.
Yes, sir. Your Honor, can I ask you one question, please?
Man,
you said something about you said something about the house, and there's somebody that can help me with other houses or something.
Let me get Mr. Patel back in here. Hold on line. All right.
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor. Thank God. Say March the 13th.
Judge, while you're doing that, I think Mr. Ogletree is ready on Al Gajran Glaze.
Yeah, I know. This is let's pass the matter. This is the city of Detroit versus Todd Bernard Gates, case number SP 157988021, SP 1579924, SP 1597886, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please, Ms. Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Gates.
Mr. Gates, are you there?
Yes.
State your name for the record, please.
My name is Bernard Gates.
Bernard Gates, start your video, please. All right, that's for purposes of arraignment on Mr. Gates.
Wait, formal reading the information, stand mute to the charges.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Mr. Gates, with Ms. Soroki, and have a conversation. She's gonna get you an updated offer. If you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Thank
you. Join the room, please.
Your Honor, can I just ask quickly what year the tickets are from? Are they recent?
From, they look pretty recent.
Okay, thank you.
2024. Pass that matter. City of Detroit versus Al Glaze, case number SP 1637377, Count one, SP 1632172, counts one and counts two. Appearance for the record, please.
Hearing no motion by for Mr. Glaze.
Officer Wood was here on time. Mr. Glaze, state your name for the record, please. He's not here.
Yeah,
Where's
yeah, I've reached out to him multiple times, even texted him, no response. Before, previously he was responding. I don't know if the court was willing to waive his presence. If so, we request a dismissal.
What did you talk to Miss?
I don't think the officers are here.
Yeah, I know, but did you talk to Mr. Roque about it? Because Mr. Glaze isn't here. I mean, Miss Mason about it?
No, she put forth an offer, but I can try to talk to Miss Mason to see if she's willing to waive my client's presence.
There you go.
Okay. I'll be back.
This was good for the goose, it's good for the gander, right? All right. So now we're just waiting on the lawyer. All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Taylor. Ms. Taylor, I've given you an opportunity. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's current offer to have her enter a plea to open alcohol in a vehicle as a passenger and dismiss the driving while license suspended charge.
Is this going to be a 12-month delay too?
Not so, Your Honor.
I'm inclined to give it. They've been giving it all day. You can ask Ms. Mason.
I will certainly ask, Your Honor. I'm inclined to take that offer.
You want to take the deal, Ms. Taylor?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please? You swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. You can go ahead and ask if we have any issue, Mr.
I'm on the way.
Ms. Taylor, you know this is the maximum possible penalty is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines, right?
Yes.
You know that you have an absolute right to a trial, right?
Yes.
Did Mr. Berry go over your other advice or rights in the breakout room?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
Nope, I don't.
Do you know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Mr. Berry?
The charge, the offer stands as it is, Your Honor. The prosecutor indicating that the open alcohol to the driver she's only able to reduce it to a passenger. If it were a passenger, she could have given the 12-month delay. That's the distinction.
All right, you understand that? It's going to stay on your record, Miss. You can either have a trial on it, and I don't know if it gets any worse, but or you can take the deal. What do you want?
I'll take the deal.
All right. I don't even have a ticket here. I do not have a ticket. All right. Let me draw your attention This is just off the ROA, Mr. Berry. Let me draw your attention back to September the 2nd, 2023 at around 11:29 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Monroe and Farmer Street. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you in the driver's seat of a motor vehicle, ma'am?
Yeah.
Did you have some alcohol in that vehicle?
Yes.
What kind of alcohol did you have?
It was Casamigos.
Casamigos.
Yes.
That's that high dollar tequila, isn't it?
Yeah.
And was it open?
Yes.
All right. Very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of alcohol of motor vehicle passenger. Stipulation of probable cause. I'll dismiss the other count. You still owe some civil infractions that you never paid either, man.
What's stipulated?
$408, so it'll be another $240 will be the fine. When can you pay it, ma'am?
I am currently going through something, and I have to basically like find a new place by March 20th. So anything like after that, like all my money has been going towards a new place. Anything after March 20th, I can pay it.
I'm gonna give you April 14th, 2025. All right. Best of luck to you on that new place. And if there's nothing further, pay at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. You don't have to come back. Just pay by, because there's no delay. There's nothing else we need to do. Just pay by April 14th. Pay at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you to did that after your phone. Best of luck to you now.
Okay. Yep. Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Overstreet, what did you come up with?
The prosecutor was saying their stance is either capious or it could be adjourned.
Okay, let's go back on the record with Mr. Glaze. What do you want? I guess the adjournment.
I'm asking if the court is willing to waive his appearance and do a dismissal, but if not,
No, I'm gonna deny that. If he's not here and he's not here, I mean, and the city doesn't willing to do it. What's good for the goose is good for the gander.
Understood. I've reached out to him multiple times today. Normally he responds, but today he hasn't. I've even texted him, but no response.
Do you want me to pass it matter and see if you can get it?
If the court is willing to adjourn the matter,
I'll pass it today. I mean, I can adjourn it, but if you want to see if, I know it's snow. I don't think it's that much snow where they needed to close schools and stuff, but what do you want to do? You want to give them a few more minutes into the end of the docket or what?
okay, I'll sign back in maybe about 11:30.
All right. Well, into the end of the docket. So if not, I'll give him another day. All right.
All right. Thank you.
All right. Best of luck. All right. I'm sorry. Officer Wood was here on time.
Yes, Your Honor. He did indicate that. Yes, Your Honor.
So let's go with Greer. Who is looking, Mr. Berry? Are you looking to Portia Greer? Do you have anyone, Mr. Berry?
Yes.
I do not have anyone, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit. Good morning to you, Ms. Greer versus Portia Greer, case number SP 15383. Strike that SP 1534839, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Oh, that's Barry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Greer.
Portia Janae Greer.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer NPO Shabazz, good morning to you. I think he's in the waiting room. He's in the breakout room. Today is the date and time set for a trial or a formal hearing. Mr. Berry, work this out for Ms. Greer if you can. If not, we'll have a hearing. All right, Ms. Greer, I'm gonna put you in breakout room 2. Wait on Mr. Berry, see if he can work it out, and then he's gonna come talk to you, okay?
Okay. You on the Perkins?
Who's that?
Your Honor, this is Miss Elizabeth.
Yes,
Did
you're
you end
supposed
our
to be here tomorrow.
What you say, sir? I'm sorry.
You said you were coming in tomorrow, right?
No, Your
Yes.
Honor, we have a resolution, I thought.
Oh, well, that's been gone, right?
What's that?
What is your question, Ms. Lewis?
I thought we end our. I was trying to make sure we end that conversation that I was going to pay tomorrow. Or did you
Yes,
say you
we're
would hold on?
You've been free to. I didn't say hold on, did I?
I thought she was
don't
gonna
know.
pay, she had the defaulted blockading traffic. That was gonna stay in default, correct? And the other ticket got dismissed, so I don't think she's coming back tomorrow, is she?
No, you just have to pay it $175.
Okay, that's cool. Thank you. I've been waiting for you to end the conversation with me. That's all.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Thank
Have a good day,
you.
Ms.
Lewis. Thanks. Bye.
Could I see Miss Mason in 4, please?
Mr.
4.
Gortman
No.
is ready.
Say that.
I said Mr. Gortman's ready at the court's convenience.
Gortman,
Yes,
that's
sir.
for
Oh, I'm sorry, I remember.
Patel Gates. Mr. Patel, good morning. I have Mr. Gortman here. Is he
Yep, I
still
got
here?
a question. Yeah, I'm here, Your Honor.
I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Patel. I have a conversation with him, Mr. Patel, please.
All right, have a great morning, Your Honor.
Mr. Gates is ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Todd Gates. Mr. Gates, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, people made the offer. You would plead to 1 count of consuming alcohol in public, urinating matters being amended to disorderly conduct. He's waiving his rights, asking the court to adopt that.
Mr. Gates, do you need some type of treatment?
No, sir, Your Honor.
That's what you say.
But I was drinking that one day. It was my best friend's birthday.
No, it's not just one day, is it?
Yeah.
You got 2 allegations of the same thing.
On the same day. It was on the same time, the day.
The dates are the same on both of the tickets?
Yes, sir.
Let's see. No, they're not the same dates. One is April the 1st. That's the day the allegation was made that you're about to plead guilty to, I guess.
Yes.
May the 1st, I'm sorry, that you urinate in public and you're drinking. And then on July the 3rd, you have the alcohol related offense and a loitering offense. So they're not the same dates.
Okay. Apologies.
Do you need some help?
No, sir.
All right. You said he's pleading to the first 2 charges as charged, the alcohol related and the disorderly conduct for the other one?
Yes,
Correct,
sir.
Your Honor.
All right. Raise your right hand, please. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
Understand that you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes.
Ms. Soroki went over your other advice to rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, I did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, I did.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up.
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
Yes, sir.
No. Has anybody offered you anything other than what we said we're gonna do today?
No. No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to May the 1st, 2024, at around 2:27 PM and 2:45 PM. Were you in the area of Woodward and Adams at 2:27 PM and Woodward and Tark around 2:45 PM?
Yes, sir.
Did you have contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
You were out there drinking Milwaukee's Best?
Yes, sir.
Do you not know that you can't just sit out in the public and drink alcohol?
It was a park, sir. You could drink in the park. It was in the park.
Wait a minute. He's made up his own rules? You're 60-something years old, and you're telling me that you can drink in a park?
I made a mistake.
No, you just said you can do that in a park.
Oh, I'm from up north. In state parks, you can drink. I used to live in the.
This is not a state park.
Okay, I know that now. Sir.
All right. So, okay. So you were drinking in the park, right?
Yes, sir.
And let me ask you this: did you go over there on Woodward and Park and were you relieving yourself of the alcohol you were drinking just a minute before?
Yes, sir.
And
yeah.
Do I have to say anything about that? Do you know better than that?
Yes, sir. I should know better.
These are the kind of things that make me ask you those questions about whether you need some help or not. And then you have this other allegation of consuming alcohol and loitering. Same area. You hang out there pretty frequently, huh?
I play chess there, sir.
You say what?
We play chess there.
All right. Find your client guilty of the amended count of disorderly conduct for urinating in public, and find her client guilty as charged for the alcohol-related violation. Stipulation of probable cause. I'll dismiss the other two matters.
So stipulated.
All right. There's no delay on any of this, right?
No.
240 and 240. When can you pay it? 480. I'll waive the warrant fees.
How much do you say, sir?
$480 total, $240 for each violation.
I could pay it in a month.
Pay it by March the 13th, 2025. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, sir. Best of luck to you. If you need any help with that drinking, if you ever decide that you need any help with that drinking, then we have a very good drug treatment, alcohol treatment program. All right.
I had one question. It was, how much was it again?
It's going to be a total of $480, $240 for each guilty plea.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Is Edward DeLon Goodwin Jr. here? Edward DeLon Goodwin Jr. Had that case marked off, but must be gone. All right. Logan, Kyle Logan. This is the city of Detroit versus Kyle Logan. Case number SP 1650596, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1650591, SP 146911811. Appearance for the record, please. Mr. Soroki.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, behalf of Mr. Logan.
Mr. Logan, good morning to you. State your name for the record, please.
Kyle Logan.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Logan. Today is the date and time set for a Do you have clothes on, sir?
No, sir. I had a toe amputated, and my nurse is here, and she got other claims to do. So she was just doing me while y'all was doing what y'all was doing.
Can you cover up a little bit, please?
Okay, hold on one second.
This is Mr. Logan, Ms. Soroki's gonna get you an updated offer. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room and have a conversation with her. If you don't like the offer, then you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Okay, thank you.
All right, the room, please. Just pass the matter.
Ready as Ms. Greer, Your Honor.
Now let's go back on the record with Ms. Greer. Ms. Greer, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the people's current offer, which is to enter a plea to speeding 6 to 10 miles over. The no insurance matter to be dismissed.
Is that what you want, Ms. Greer? Ms. Greer?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf, Counselor?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of 6 to 10 over. That's going to be 2 points on your license. I do believe if you're qualified, that you will be able to, the Secretary of State will be able to, you'll be able to take a class. Officer Shabazz, you want to put your appearance on the NPO, Shabazz? I'm sorry.
I already took the class, Your Honor. I took a basic driver's class. You wanted me to take.
Did you tell Mr. Berry that? No, this is a class. This is a class for the Secretary of State. If you qualify, it's going to be dependent on your driving record. You'll be able to take another class to get these 2 points off.
Okay.
3 or less, 3 points or less. NPO Shabazz, you want to put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes. Good morning, Your Honor. Officer NPO Shabazz, badge 1194.
All right, good morning to you. Okay, so $135. When can you pay it?
Can you give me 30 days?
All right, March the 13th, 2025. Pay it in any dip that kiosk.
Yeah, can you go send me one from your mama?
I'm talking March the 13th.
March, I got it. Yeah, I'm writing it down. March the 13th.
And pay it in any dip.
And how much is it? You said $135?
$145, ma'am.
145?
35.
135. Okay, I got
Let's
it.
look to you. All right, on that 810, that was the 130 docket individual. 810, 130 docket. Let's see. Let's go with Giles Brown. I'm going to get your file 830. I do. What's the name under 810-830-9991?
You have Giles right. I think you should have.
What's the number? 810 number.
Hold on a second, Joe. That's the first count.
810 830
I'm here.
9991. What's your name?
I'm here. Martino Ladner.
Lander.
Yes.
It's Martino Lander.
Yes.
All right. Let's call this Mr. Berry. This is the city of Detroit versus Trayvon Cornelius Giles Brown. Case number SP1406808-1. appearance for the record, please?
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Giles Brown.
Trayvon Cornelius Giles Brown.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
Enter not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. I'm gonna dismiss the case. It is paid now. You still owe 144 for a old equipment violation ticket, sir. But this case is gonna be dismissed, okay?
The old violation.
No, this case that you're here on is improper plate. You must not have paid it, and now you've paid it, and I'll dismiss it, okay? But you still owe 140 for the improper equipment.
And I thought once I paid this one, you said once I paid it, you was gonna cancel that one out.
All right, dismiss. SP 144-56852. That was supposed to have been dismissed a long time ago. All right, best of luck to you, sir.
So so I don't have any tickets.
No, you don't. Have a great day.
All right, thank you.
Excuse me, Your Honor. This is Officer Shabazz. The Odom's case, was that heard yet, Your Honor? I'm not sure. I've been in the break.
Yeah, Odom was heard.
Your Honor, while we have Shabazz on, I did receive a text back from the prosecutor at a later time indicating she was all right to making that a limited access. So I don't know if Officer Shabazz would agree with that, and we could just go ahead and do that. Or
I agree.
You agree?
I will agree.
Thank you.
On the Greer?
That was on Miss Odom. It was a 6 to 10, and she had taken the class.
Ms. Greer took a class, she indicated too.
Your Honor, may I speak?
You may.
Let me look at my text and make sure.
I don't think, I'm looking at Ms. Greer's driver. I don't think she qualified for the class, but I guess Ms. Odom.
It was Miss Odom, Your Honor. I said Miss Odom has her license. She did her insurance.
I think we did that under limited access. I thought that was, let me get that Odom, that Tangia Odom.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Let me get that file. I thought that was under, no, Miss Greer is, she's got the same, about the same speed. I think she took a class through the Better Drivers, so something that we had said you probably need to do. Did you send me anything that you passed that class, Ms. Greer?
Yes, Your Honor. I emailed it to you.
And which name did you send it under? I mean, what was the email address that you sent it to me from?
Let me see.
Yeah, no, let's hold on. Let's go back on let's recall Tangia Odom on SP 1608924. I'll at count one. I'll amend that to limited access. Ms. Mathis, can you put that in now as limited access? That was done by an agreement by the officer and the city attorney and counsel in
Thank you. Officer Shabazz, that would complete that matter because she's already gone.
Okay.
Am I still being heard?
Your Honor, can you hear me?
Because my computer just went down. Am I still being heard?
You are, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so
Yes.
I'm gonna look up Miss Greer to see if she took the class as soon as
It was sent to your Sean.Perkins at 36 District
from what
Court.
email address?
It's from PortiaGreer@gmail.com. It was sent December 17th.
I don't think I got it. But let's see. Let me wait. Mr. Shabazz, she took, I'm sure, what was that, Better Drivers?
Correct.
Well, you got.
Your Honor,
Yes.
it's up to the court. It's up to the court's discretion. But I did take a look at her
Where are you
driving
picking it up?
record, and it's not. It's a couple of substance abuse
Supposed to.
violations, numerous speeding
Hey,
and suspensions.
we can do
So
that
I don't
now.
know whether or not
Do it say what gotta be
the
picked
court
up?
would accept that.
What it say?
810, mute him. 810,
I'm
mute
saying
him.
it's like it's been paid for and all that.
All right.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
No, that's not your fault. That's
Okay.
we've been interrupted. All right.
What I was trying to say, Your Honor, looking at her driving history, I don't know whether the state will accept that as a non-moving violation based on her driving record. She has substance abuse violations and numerous violations on her speed on her driving record. So I don't, it's up to the court discretion.
And let's go back on the record. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Greer. Where's her file? Let's go back on the record with Ms. Greer. I'm still getting my computer back up, but with the conversation. So here's the deal, Ms. Greer. We asked you to take the class because of the nature of the speed. Now, this is for this is MPO Shabazz. MPO Shabazz, the class that she took was not a class that the Secretary of State offered her. That's a class that generally when particular prosecutors in here, they will give relief if they do take that class. Now, the question is I understand what you're saying about her not being, really a good candidate for the class because of her driving record. But let me confirm right now that she's taken the class. Okay, and I do see that, and I do have her certificate. So the question is now, based on what Officer Shabazz has said about your driving record, I don't know whether the state is going to offer you that class because it depends on your history as well. And what Officer Shabazz is saying is that you got numerous speeding violations and substance violations or whatever the nature of those cases are. So I can't say that they're going to. I can say based on what he's saying, it's probably likely that they won't offer you that class to get the reduction. But you did take this class and you did get a reduction. The question is, should the city or should we offer you a limited access so that it takes that 2 points down to a 1 point? I will. If the city leaves it up to me, and Officer Shabazz has said he will leave that up to the court's discretion. If the city's okay with that, I want to ask you some questions about that class. Ms. Mason, are you there?
I certainly am, Your Honor. For the record, D.H.Chiku Mason, City of Detroit, 43471. If I may, Your Honor, she has already been given a reduction. I am totally in objection to her getting another reduction at this time.
All right, so there it is, Ms. Greer. Have a good day. 2 points, $135, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, best of luck to you. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Glaze. Mr. Glaze, I'm giving, state your name for the record, please.
John Glaze. Excuse me.
Attorney Aaron Ogletree here.
All right, day and the date and time set for a trial. You've had the motion to dismiss based on no officer. I'll dismiss the cases. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
All right. Let's go back on the record with you don't have anybody, right, Ms. Soroki or Mr. Berry? Mr. Berry, you don't have anyone?
I do not, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Marcio Cartier Latner, case number SD 166-84101. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Latham.
Marcino Latner.
All right, today is the date and time. It's not the time. He's supposed to be here at 1:30, but since he's here early, we will arraign him. Go ahead, Mr. Berry.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give him a $0 bond. Is this a good phone number to reach you at, Mr. Latner? 8309991?
No.
What's the best number to reach you at?
313-844-9175.
All right. I know that. Speak to Mr. Berry. I know it's just the first is a reckless driving. That's a pretty serious offense. It's a 6-point offense with a mandatory suspension if found guilty as charged. Speak with Mr. Berry. I know it's the day of the arraignment. Talk to him about it, and if you want to get an offer, he can get you one. If you don't, we can get you a no date and a trial date if necessary. Join the breakout room, please. Pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Logan. Mr. Logan, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, Mr. Logan at this time is requesting a bench trial date.
All right, is that what you want to do, Mr. Logan?
Yes.
Let's give you a bench trial date of April the 8th, 2025 at 9 p.m., 9 a.m., I'm sorry. And let me say this to you as well. Best of luck on your health, Mr. Logan. We look forward to you.
Can I say one thing before you finish?
You may.
I'm a dialysis patient. So Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, I have dialysis. So could you just make the court date any Tuesday or Thursday?
That is a Tuesday.
Okay, great.
It's a Tuesday. All right. Best of luck to you. What's this gentleman's name here? Be good. I'll see you back on the 8th.
Okay, you said April 8th?
April 8th. What's your name?
Thank you.
Mark Lowe? Mark Elliott Lowe. All right. Take it easy, Mr. Logan.
Okay, you too.
Yesterday.
Let's give him some post file.
Judge, this is the city prosecutor, Diachico Mason. I have to leave. I have a trial in front of Judge Nance Adams. So another colleague will be coming in.
Okay, go ahead. We have two more. Lowe is here in person. Just give me 1 second, miss. And that is a disorderly conduct. And then the one on the telephone here, 313-685-6355. Press *6 to unmute yourself, please. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Mark Elliott Lowe, case number U517621119. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Lowe.
Mr. Lowe, step up and state your name for the record, please.
Mark Lowe.
Oh, I'm sorry. All right, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. So you don't have a way to get online? Why did I tell you to come in person?
Last week, I was online, I was involved on Courtroom, and you said I was supposed to be in there, you do too quick and come in person.
No, I told you to come in person for some other reason than just that. What was going on?
I had a court date yesterday for, Tuesday for tampering my child, 2016.
Not in front of me.
No.
And then was rude? What would happen with us the last time?
I was in the wrong courtroom. and I was supposed to see you the other day, but I happened to come to your courtroom. I'm supposed to, Judge Taylor courtroom.
All right. Well, he's got a disorderly conduct charge. This is a urinating in public back in 2019. You can either set a trial date or what's the offer on that, Ms. Mason? Oh, we got Alexis Schneider here. All right. Good morning, Ms. Snyder. Can you put your appearance on the record for Mr. Mark Elliott Lowe, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322.
All right, Mr. Mark Elliott Lowe has a 2019 case of urinating in public. What's the offer?
I would do a 3-month delayed sentence dismissal upon payment.
3 month, $240, 3 month delayed. I can get you to speak with a lawyer if you need to. Can we get him online some kind of way? He can use my phone if that's the case.
Alexa, would you amend that to disorderly so there would be no chance of a sex offender registry?
That's fine with me.
Thank you.
Can you use your phone?
He can use my phone if you need to. Okay, go ahead and get him online. Step out in the hall. I'm gonna get you to speak with a lawyer that can explain things for you. Put your appearance on the record, Mr. Roki, for Mr. Lowe.
Your Honor, Pauline Sorokin, behalf of the defendant.
All right, all right. Let's pass it. Let me get him online, and then we'll get. What's going to go on? Let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Latner. What's going to happen with Latner, Mr. Barry?
We seek a trial date, Your Honor, and the appointment of counsel. His number is in the chat.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Latner?
Yes, because everything was caught.
I don't want to hear that. I don't want to hear the because. It's just a yes or no. You have that.
Oh yes.
Yeah, that's
what I want to do.
All right. Come back first and foremost. Come back on March the 24th. March the 24th, so that we can make sure that that appointed attorney has gotten in contact with you. And I'm going to give you a trial date of April the 8th to keep it on track at 9 a.m. So March 24th, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. I have a phone number here. The best number to reach you at is 313-844-9175. I'll ask you to answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney, then we'll get one appointed to you on the spot on March the 24th, okay?
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good day. And next time, try to zoom in so I can see who I'm talking to.
Okay. I actually called and they told me to just call instead of zooming in.
Well, try to zoom in.
Okay.
All right. Let's go with 313-685-6355. Press *6 to unmute yourself, please. 313-685-6355. *6 to unmute yourself, please. 313-358-5680. Good morning to you. What's your name, please?
Good morning. My name is Tremaine Lester.
Tremaine Lester?
Yes, I made a mistake and arrived. I made a mistake and came to court late. I was supposed to be here at 8:30.
All right, you just zoomed in. Why did you hang up and not zoom in? Why did you not stay zoomed in?
Because I was trying to contact you guys, like call you guys' number to ask you guys without getting rescheduled.
Mr. Berry, City of Detroit versus step outside with that. We spoke to the lawyer already. City of Detroit versus Tremaine Gregory Lester. Case number SP 165-49111. Appearing for the record, please.
Joel S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, State your full name, Mr. Lester.
Tremaine Gregory Lester. It's 111. If I'm here from back 7:30, I'm going to be.
All right, Mr. Lester, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. He's gonna get you an updated offer. If you don't like the offer, keep in mind you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay.
Join the room, Mr. Berry.
Yes, sir.
Speak to him. And Ms. Snyder, wait on Mr. Berry. I'm sure he's gonna want to speak to you as well. All right, past that matter. On that telephone at 313-685-6355, what is your name, please? 313-685-6355. What is your name?
Oh, Coleman Green.
Green, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge.
You said Coleman Green?
Yes, sir.
You see him on the docket?
It's at 9 o'clock, Your Honor.
At 9 o'clock?
Yeah, I've been listening since 9 o'clock this morning.
Very well. City of Detroit, Ms. Soroki versus Coleman Green, case number SP 163-63871. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Strogi, via Mr. Green.
Mr. Green, state your name for the record, please.
Coleman Green.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. I don't think an officer, Ami has checked in. I haven't seen that, sir. I don't have that off from my list. Go ahead, Ms. Soroki.
Your Honor, I'm going to make a motion to dismiss this trial date.
Smith, no officer. All right. Mr. Green, best of luck to you. Have a very good rest of your day. Case dismissed. All right.
Thank you.
We can pull those officers out of the breakout room. D. Lee never showed. Miss Snyder, Gibson
Hello.
never showed.
It's me.
And Odom has been resolved.
Sorry, Your Honor, could you repeat that? I was on the phone with Attorney Berry.
I'm sorry. So D, the officers in the Officer Croxton for Gibson. I don't think Gibson ever showed. For Odom, Bayesian, that was been resolved. And then Corsi for D. Lee, they never showed.
Perfect. Thank you, Your Honor. I'll release him.
All right. Mr. Coleman Green?
Yes, sir.
Hang up, sir.
I hear you.
All right. Mr. Berry, you need to
Matters
speak to
is-
Ms. Snyder?
I have spoken to her and I'm going to see my client.
Very well.
Your Honor, the gentleman that's in the courtroom's ready.
Back on the record with Lowe. Step up, Mr. Lowe. Let's go back on the record with Lowe. What do you want to do, Mr. Lowe, with this case? What did your client want to do, Mr. Lowe?
Your Honor, he's going to get a bench trial date.
All right, is that what you want to do, Mr. Lowe?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, come back on April the 8th, 2025 at 9 a.m., all right? You don't have to be in person if you don't want to, but you can if you want to. April the 8th, you want some paperwork?
Yes.
All right, can you do some paperwork and stuff? All right, best of luck to you. Mr. Patel, is Gortman ready?
Yes.
Let's pull him out. Let's get Gortman's file. He's already pled to these cases.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Your Honor, he pled just today, correct?
Yeah, he owes money, so he still's got the balance.
Yeah. Well, we would ask the court to vacate the plea entered today.
Let's get Gortman's file back. I don't know what happened to Edward Good. Checked in. He didn't stay. I'm trying to pull him out, Mr. Tell, but it doesn't seem like it's working.
I'll text him.
Ms. Snyder?
Hello, Your Honor.
Mr. Gortman was an individual that pled to something today. After he pled, and I think it's just really no insurance and an improper lane use. After he pled, he indicated to the court that he was dealing with housing insecurity. We subsequently got in touch with Mr. Patel. Mr. Patel came back in and spoke with him. And he's going to ask the court to vacate those pleas so he can get into the street court program. Is there any objection to that?
Ordinarily, I do object, as Your Honor, I'm sure remembers, to vacating pleas, but in light that he will be with Mr. Patel in the street court program, I would have no objection. I'm familiar with that program.
Thank you.
I'll get it. Hold on, I had to break it down. Hold on.
All right. Can you get him out the room, Mr. Patel? Because it's not allowing me to pull him out.
I texted him. I can
try to prompt him.
Maybe you can go back in there and let him know.
Oh, good idea.
What happens to the
Oh, it's attached to the ticket.
Okay.
See, worst case scenario, once Attorney Barry's last client's done, we could just close the breakout rooms. I think it'll force Mr. Gortman out.
Oh, okay, so yeah, once Mr. Barry's done. All right, so are you next door as well? I have to go next door. Is everything worked out over there?
I think 331 and 332 are done, to my knowledge.
No, 435.
435.
I have to go to Kennedy's courtroom.
I haven't heard from them yet, Your Honor. I wasn't in that one. I've been everywhere else. This is my fourth courtroom today, but I did not make it there.
Right. All right. So just have Portman and Lester then. What happened to Corey Graham? Oh, that's gonna be a dismissal. That's a review. He paid.
Mr. Lincoln, the personal is on the judge. Mr. He the personal.
It doesn't matter what he wants to do. You know how to get on Zoom, Mr. Lowe?
Get in contact with him.
Are you ready on Lester, Mr. Barry?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lester. Mr. Lester, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of the people's current offer, which is to enter a plea as charged on the basis of a 3-month delayed sentence.
Want to take the deal, Mr. Lester?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, raise your right hand, please. Swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights to the breakout room, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have any questions about those rights?
No, Your Honor.
You know by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
I'm sorry, I didn't catch what you just said, sir.
Do you know by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
As in, I mean,
It doesn't seem like
I
he
guess
understands
so.
what's going on. It doesn't seem like he understands what's going on, Mr. Berry.
Happy to try it again, Your Honor.
Okay, please. Send him back in the breakout.
I believe he'll need to be placed there, Your Honor. I may.
You can place him there. I'll place him there. All right.
Ready on Gortman, Your Honor.
Go back on the record. Let's go recall the city of Detroit versus Juan Gortman, case number SP 1631625, SP 1636261. What I'm going to do is, Mr. Gortman, I'm glad you spoke up and you got a chance to speak with Mr. Patel. Patel, what's your appearance on the record, please? Put your appearance on the record.
Sorry, James Patel, P number 65385. Mr. Gortman. Mr. Gortman, would you please state your name for the record? Oh, you're on mute, sir.
Oh, Lawan Gortman. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
All right. There was off the record, Mr. Patel motioned the court to set aside the responsible plea. We spoke with Madam City Attorney Schneider, and based on the case and the circumstances, there was no objection to that. So what we're going to do is set aside the responsible plea, and we're going to mark the file street court, and we're going to put a date on the return date. What is that, Mr.
July 29th?
July 29th. Is that a good day?
July 29th.
July 29th.
That's good. Yes.
Pretrial July 29th, 2025 at 8:30. I'm glad you spoke up, Mr. Workman. I'm wishing you the best of luck on that. Program does work. I've seen it, and it's going to be some work that you need to put into it, but seeing excellent results, and I hope that you're one of those ones that gets that result as well. I wish you the best of luck. Thank you for coming back in, Mr. Patel, and everybody.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Thanks.
He's in the breakout room now, Mr. Berry. Did you need him?
He need who? Mr. Lester?
Yes.
No, we just came out. He's supposed to be out here.
Good. All right, Mr. Gortman, best of luck. You're free to leave.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
All right, let's go back on the record with Lester. Mr. Lester, did you understand everything now?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial, correct?
Yes.
You understand that by taking this deal, you're going to give up those Mr. Berry went over your advice of rights, did he not?
Yes, he did.
You understand by taking this deal, you're gonna give up those rights?
Yes.
Did you understand the rights Mr. Berry went over with you?
Yes, I did.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
Not at all, Judge.
And you, did anybody offer you anything other than what we said we'll do today?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to December the 10th, 2024 at around 11:39 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Eileen and Interval. Did you have an occasion on that day to be in that area around that date and time and have contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you out? Were you out there smoking marijuana, sir?
No, I had it, but that's the same thing, so I guess yes.
All right, so no, it's not. So you said no, so we're gonna set a trial date. So if you're not smoking it, then that's what they add, that's what they say here, that's what they allege, that you were consuming marijuana in a public place. All right, so the trial date is gonna be, come back April the 8th. April the 8th.
Excuse me, Judge.
No, it's not excuse me anymore. April the 8th, sir. Come back, and this time I need you to zoom in, okay? We'll get some resolution on April the 8th. Is this the best number to reach you at?
Yes, it is.
All right, so next time zoom in, come back April the 8th for a trial, and we'll get some resolution on that date, all right?
All right, thank you.
Best of luck to you. All right, that seems to be do it for today. I appreciate everybody. We got through pretty quickly. I gotta go next door to Judge Kennedy, right?
Yes, I have 11 files ready for you, 4 in person and 5 waiting for pleas.
Okay, Miss Mathis, Officer
Right.
Bright?
Yes.
All right, thank you. Coach, thank you. Ms. Williams Law, Ms.